Hey guys, here's how to see who rewatched your Snapchat story. To do this, you'll need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. I'll show you how to get it. Once you have it, you'll be able to check who rewatched your Snapchat story. First, open the Snapchat app. Then tap on your profile picture or avatar in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. In the settings menu, you'll see the Snapchat Plus option. Just tap on it. Then tap on Subscribe. After that, you'll see all the features that come with Snapchat Plus. One of those features is called Story Rewatch. If you tap on it, you'll see that it lets you check how many friends have rewatched your story. If you want to subscribe to Snapchat Plus and use this feature, just tap Next. Then you can start your free trial or choose the plan that's available in your region. Depending on your location, you may be charged right away. If you decide you don't want the features later, you can request a refund if you're eligible. That's pretty much it. Once you've subscribed to Snapchat Plus, you'll be able to see who rewatched your Snapchat story. I hope this video was helpful.